All right, so for the past couple weeks, we made a lot of progress doing the restoration of the interior of the car, but this week it's time for us to start attacking the exterior, and the first step to doing that is gonna be deleting the badges on the trunk of the Coupe. I'm gonna be prepping my car for paint, but in case you guys are just looking to delete your badges off your car, I'm gonna show you an inexpensive way that I like to blend the discolored paint from the fresh paint that's been hiding under your emblems for however many years your car has been sitting in the sun. So there are a couple tools that you're gonna need in order to complete this process. The first one is gonna be a heat gun. Then I like to use fishing line. And then also if you could get plastic razor blades that you could find at any hardware store, that's gonna help with removing that adhesive off the back of the trunk. So that's enough talking about it, let's do it. So that's gonna be it for this week, and as you can see, it was really not that big of a deal. We used some simple tools and everything has been linked in the description below, so you can remove your badges too. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below, or hit me up on Instagram at SubiCyrus.